over the past many years, Apple has developed the Samsung Note series as its premium phone or the flagship phone, primarily meant for people who are maybe in the business segment or who want to be extra productive. And towards that, it started giving its users the stylus. And the S Pen, as the stylus was known, was what differentiated the Note series from the rest of the Android flagships. And over a period of time, the Note series started having a really dedicated follower base. But now Samsung seems to have lost interest, or let's say the business doesn't allow it to have this one more device out there, especially when it's focusing so much on the foldable series. The foldable has had the S Pen since this year. But what happens to the Note? We were told that the Note is dying, but I just discovered that the Note is still very much alive. It is alive as the Samsung S22 Ultra, the flagship with the S Pen in it. So why would anybody buy the S22 Ultra? The S22 Ultra is very clearly the most premium of Samsung's flagship phones if you're not going for the foldable form factor. So this is like the S21, but Ultra is the larger phone with the S Pen in it. So you would buy it primarily if you are looking for the best phone Samsung can offer. Also, if you want the added advantage of having the S Pen. The S Pen is great for creative people. The advantage of the larger screen size, which the Note series earlier used to give it, has slowly vanished because that screen size is available in the other phones. And that is not something you really should bother about. But you will pay a premium for this superior phone, which has all the features you would expect from a Samsung flagship, like an amazing camera, stunning display, and the performance that can reach out to anything that you want to show it. You want to play a game, you want to record high quality 4K video, you want to maybe edit the video, you can do all of that in this. But along with the added advantage of the S Pen lets you make notes, you can annotate, you can do lots of things. And you can do it even when the phone is technically not open. You can do it on the lock screen too, which I found to be great because you might be in an interview or you are in a meeting and you quickly want to take notes. So there are lots of advantages that the S Pen gives to the S22 Ultra. And that is what you would really push for when you are buying the top-end phone. The other thing that really impressed me is the camera. The camera is now very, very natural. Samsung has had amazing cameras over the years in its flagship series. But with this one, what I think is happening is that it's becoming closer to the kind of feel and vibrancy you would expect when you're using a Apple iPhone, for instance. This camera is more natural. It gives you great natural tones and very natural at it. It doesn't seem like the colors are popping in your face or it's oversaturated. It's amazing actually, and I really loved the kind of images it gives you when you look at the sky and you have a contrasting color in front of it. What else? As I told you, performance is really top notch. You will have no issues with it. Now, it is up to you to buy the S22 Ultra. Whether you really want to push it, I would say push it if you really have a use case for the S Pen. Otherwise, the S22 might be just good enough for you.